Hello and welcome to our weekly update. It's actually been 4 days since our last update. Today is October the 14th and it's Thanksgiving in Canada. So happy Thanksgiving to Canada. One of the many things that we'll talk about is something that we've been working on and what we'll be working on in the future. And something that's taken most of our time because it's critical is our documentation. And this documentation has to contain our full mission, scope of our mission, and that has to be in by November the 14th. So we're scrambling away to put this thing together. The size of this this package is 420 pages, and that's about a third of Tolstoy's War and Peace. So that is something that we're working on, and that will take most of our time in the near future. In other developments, we've been using this microchip, and this is what we use to get the raw signals from the satellites to track their position. And this microchip, what had happened was someone bought all these guys out, and they're no longer being manufactured. So we will have to find other technologies out there. Another thing that we've been playing around with is vacuum metallurgy, and this is a piece that we're able to put together. This is 90% titanium and 10% silver. Right? So we're still playing around with that, putting pieces together. So another thing that we've been working on is we've been looking at the cost of sending 1 kilogram up into space. And this is where we've come across a paradox. Let's say hypothetically we take an engineer and we give him a set of requirements, and those requirements are vital to the system, and that engineer only delivers half of those requirements. Normally what would happen is that guy would never work in the field again. They would be fired or whatnot. If we look at the 1970s, NASA designed a new system, and that brought in a new system, and that system was the Space Shuttle. And some of the brilliant minds came together and they devised these technical requirements, looking at the economics, looking at future inflation and whatnot. And one of the technical requirements was reducing the cost of sending 1 kilogram up into space. And initially they said that it would cost them $5,000 to bring 1 kilogram up into space. Once the fleet was complete, it would cost them $1,000 to bring 1 kilogram up into space. And by the year 2000, it was projected that it would cost them $100 to bring a kilogram up into space. So now, at present day, you all know that the Space Shuttle was retired. And in 2011, we reached out to SpaceX and we asked them how much it would cost us. And they quoted, they gave us a quote, and they said that it would cost $180,000 to bring 1 kilogram up into space. And this is what doesn't really make sense, because those engineers, those brilliant minds in the 70s, they weren't wrong, by 2. They were wrong by 1,000 times 1,000. So this kind of leaves a gap, and I'm wondering, where's that money? Where is it disappearing? So anyways, thanks for listening to this rant. We'll see you in a week, and happy Thanksgiving, Canada.